2. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the possible questions that might be asked in a demo 2. Right? The thing is, in PDF, they have given a rectangle, right? And they might ask you to create and circle ball. Instead of rectangle ball, you have to create a circle ball. For that, you have to mention a x coordinate and y coordinate, right? Since the canvas is 400 comma 400, see, I am going to create a ball in a center, so I am mentioning the x coordinate and y coordinate in a center value with the radius 10. Okay, so you know very well, for creating a circle and radius should be mentioned here, right? You can see here I am executing the code. Instead of a semicolon, I have mentioned comma there, so I'm getting a error. Now it has been rectified. A circular ball has been created. If you want the ball to be much bigger, you can mention as various size. A ball has been created here. And then next possible question that might be asked in the sense, you have to move the ball diagonally. For moving the ball, we are having the variable declaration, right? An additional activity, there might be a variable declaration. You go through that additional activity. See, for moving the ball, what I have to mention? I have to mention the increment value. After declaring the variable position x is equal to pos x is equal to pos x plus 1. This line will increment the ball and it will move the ball, right? See here, the position x variable has to be mentioned in a x coordinate, right? So I am mentioned instead of a x coordinate has push x value. You see what is happening? Position x, after mentioning it, it is moving in a x direction, right? Then see, my ball has to move diagonally in the sense, this is the diagonal value, right? Diagonally, say for that I am mentioning pos y is equal to 200. The thing is, this ball will start move from the center in a diagonal manner, right? So for this code, the ball will move in a diagonal manner from the center. Okay, clear? You see here, from the center it is moving diagonally. What have to do when a ball has to move from top left to bottom right? What I have to do? I have to mention 0, 0 here. Okay, see here what is happening. From the top left to bottom right, here it is moving, right? See, you have to know the coordinates, right? For that you are having the additional activity. What is the additional activity? Mouse x comma, it's not comma, plus, right? Plus and mouse y comma mouse x mouse y. So if you mention this line, you will get a coordinate value, right? See, whatever the question that your interviewer is asking, they will give you the time limit. For me, 3 minutes has been given to know to move the ball from bottom left to top right. See, what I did is I mentioned this code, and I I'm just clearing about the coordinate. It is 0 comma 400, and this is 400 comma, this is 400 comma 0, right? So this is 0 comma 400 and this is 400 comma 0. See, I have to move the ball from here. Here the x value is 0 and moving from here to there. So I have to increment the x value, and you see here y value should be decremented, and y value you have to mention 400. Yeah, so I have to mention x value as 0 here and y value as 400, and you increment the x value and you have to decrement the y value. Yeah, so see here, it is moving from bottom left to top right. See, and another one question the interviewer might ask us, you have to give the shape, that is fill the shape with the color, right? For that we are having the fill option, fill orange, some color you can mention, right? You have to mention it within a strings. Semicolon is must. See what is happening. Ball has been filled with a orange color, right? These are all the possible questions that might be asked. You can also go through the reference library reference section by googling it and prepare yourself. All the best, friends. If you are having any doubts, you can comment it in a comment section so that I can help with my knowledge.